saying that we just alike.
Hey,
I'll say something
hit him with thighs.
When I say we do something,
We with the guys, hit him with the thighs, hit him with the grinds. We ain't guys, we ain't got no mind. Hit him with the blade, hit him with the thighs, hit him bitches, we are minds. We gon' compromise, we gon' compromise. We can play, we ain't got. I just got a brand new switch on this block. About to hit him with the blade, hit him with the stick. We gon' hit him twice, hit the thighs. We ain't got no guys, we ain't got. We at 5 guys, yeah. Hey. Open it out, hit him with the crowd, shoot up the crowd, hit him with the mouth, little man cave, hit him with the safe, you ain't a slave, man, yeah, watch your thoughts before they can words, watch your words before they come actions, watch your habits because they become actions. Hey, pull up with the chopper, hit him with the flocka, we ain't got no blade, hit him with the blade, hit him with the slave, it's gonna be. We got a blade, we ain't insane. Just about to switch, put it on my bitch, yeah. Just got a glock, put it on my waist, put it on my waist. Got the next on, hit him with the song. This is wrong. Got the tip on, hit him with the ball. I got the blade, I got the sage, I got the mage. I just hit him with the day. Got the fours looking like we in stores, we in the stores, we robbing up. We gon' hit them with the up. We gon' hit them up. Busting it out. Busting it out. Hit them with it out. Pulling it out. Whipping it out. Whipping out the blade. Hit them with the sage. Hit them twice. It's gonna be like pop, pop. Bop. Got the 11s, got the 12s, got the mouths, brand new shell. Gotta get rid of the cases. Looking like put it in their faces. Punch them in the face, about to catch another case. We got the 11s, we ain't got no block. I just bought a brand new switch with the Drake. Got an ARP with the Drake. Got the lace. Put you in your lace. Put you in the face. What's up? It's Stop for Life.